Good morning, children. Today topic is political science and social sciences. Political science and social sciences. What is the main difference between political science and social sciences? Civics is the old name. Now new name political science. Civics meaning mainly citizenships. Many people have to participate in our society. Okay, it is clear. It is called civics or political science. It is the political science not only peoples. It is government also how to work in political science parts. So what is the main difference between political science, social sciences? Political science mainly it is total and depend on the people, people depend government. Political science it is the one of the C type means like small T type, Bay of Bengal, C type. But social sciences is the biggest ocean. Social sciences one of the part political science. So what is meant by social sciences? First you observed social sciences which type of parts is called social sciences. Number one, history. Number two, civics or political science. Number three, geography. And next number four, economics. Next number five, epic. Number six, anthropology. Number seven, public administration. Okay. Next to law, number 8. Here main important, etc. Law, etc. So, social sciences, political science. Social sciences one of the part. Social sciences one of the part. Political science. So what is meant by social sciences? Social means geography, history, civics, economics. Four type of parts is called social studies. Social sciences meaning it is the science like biology, chemistry, also sciences there are. The sciences also one of the part of the some parts, not only total part. Some 20% or 10% some parts also including of the subject social sciences. History, civics, geography, economics, epic means historical type. Epic means what is epic? Epic example the Ramayana, the Mahabharata stories, epic stories, Ramayana story, Mahabharata story. Epic also one of the part of history part. Epic also one of the part of history, but only some areas. For example, Ramayana story. Some place only there Ramayana. Ramayana, Bhagavata stories, epic studies. Anthropology meaning it means anthropology means human psychology. Anthropology, anthro means human parts, human type of stories. It is called anthropology. Okay, it is clear. Okay, anthropology meaning human type of stories. Early man, for example, first settled forest area. After some years traveling one place to another place, migrate and discovered many new places. This is the one of the study of the anthropology. Next, number 7, public administration. Public administration. Administration means service. Service. People service public. People public same. But public government service public services indirectly government or poor people service type of categories services public administration. Next to number 8, law. Rule of law. All are equal before the law in our country, in our society. But nowadays all are not equality. Why means you know change the generation. Okay, mainly constitution period. So this is total parts social sciences. Political science depend on the people. Political science depend on people. The people depend on the government. The people depend on the government. Why government mainly help of the directly sometimes indirectly help of the peoples. Government or direct help of the peoples. So depend on the people depend on government. So the government, auto formation of the government, auto formation, the government formation, people's only elections, elections in every region, every constituency of area, every constituency regions. The elections is the main key role point of the in this system, political system. Many greatest ideologists also, many greatest persons like Woodrow Wilson. Who is the Woodrow Wilson? Woodrow Wilson is the one of the greatest person, greatest psychologist person, greatest political theory person, ideologist. Woodrow Wilson, one of the great ideologist. So Woodrow Wilson and Gilchrist. Woodrow Wilson and Gilchrist. These are persons mainly clearly explain political science. Political science not only depend on the in our society or every man, every citizen depend on society. Every citizen not only single. Every citizen depend on the society. The society means not only one area. The society means total all type of public directly connected public. It is called society. Next type, what is political science depend relation? What is the main relation between political science and history? What is the main relation between political science and history? Okay, political science. What is the main difference between political science and history? Political science mainly history. History is also on the past days. Past days means last compared to last some years back. History without depend on political science. Political science that depend on the history. So without history there is no depend on political science. Without history there is no depend on political science. And next political science there is no depend on history. So this history and political science directly relation the relations between direct relations. So history means one of the part of the political science. History is the one of the biggest part. The political science the part of the one part is smallest part political science. So there is no fruit of political science history and there is no root of the political science history. So past years, history means the last past years. What is main important of the past years compared to last year and it's to 100 years back our India how to developing countries. Okay, so this is called main history. The relation is totally different on the history and the political science. history number one. Okay. Next to civics. Now it's called political science. Old name civics, present now it is called political science. Civics only for peoples and government, how to ruling of government, how to formation of the government, and peoples how to participated elections. Or next to people's relation. What is the main relation between one people to another people, one country to another country? These are all part of the body is called formation of the government, the total whole government science. The government science is called civics. It is now is called political science. Geography. Geography also one of the part of the political science. Why? What is the main reason? Geography means is the one of the geological word. Geology. Geography is also one of the part, separate part there. The part name is called geology. Okay, these are this total social sciences. Social sciences total different, but only political science. It is totally this only political science. Directly relation of the history, geography, and economics, ethics, anthropology, public administration, and law, etc. These are mainly common words of the political social sciences. So political words, the political polite of the main important politeness, polite means it is the respect, humble. Different meanings also there. Polite, respect, and humble. So here geology is this is the main one. Next to economics. Economics is totally economical theory system. Economics also like currency, notes, expenditure, and income, and inflation. What is meaning of inflation? Income, expenditure. Okay. Next rate. Okay, MRP rate. One item how much rupees there, and selling purpose, tax, income tax. Okay, next to income tax, expenditure. Okay, next to taxes, direct taxes, indirect taxes. This total whole part of body is economics part. What is the main relation between political science and economics? Political science one of the part economics. Economics is the totally not only nowadays. Economics also one of the oldest of the oldest book of study. Old means like a Greek scientist also may discover the new places. Okay, economics is also one of that depend on the political science. Okay, now topic of total relationship. What is the main relationship political science and social sciences? Social sciences depend political science. Political science also one of the part of the body, one of part of the system of the social sciences. This relationship is the mainly direct relationship. Relationship is the not only continuous unended. This is unended. Why means it is ending period not. Unended means continuous. It is continuous. So many years continuous also. Nowadays also continuous also affected this type of relationship. Okay, next to economics, epic stories. Epic already you know the Ramayana, the Mahabharata stories. Epic stories. Epic means all type of scientists like the Ramayana story, Mahabharata story, like next Veda Vyasa. Example Ayurveda stories like Patanjali Ayurveda stories. This is also one of the part of the epic stories. Next to anthropology, human type of stories. Anthropology is the one of the total every person, Africans, men, Asia and North Americans, Australia, every person, every man, how to living of the areas, regions ways. This total anthropology. Okay. Next public administration. Public administration. Administration means service. Public services. Public service categories. It is called public administration. Public administration. It is the you know, for example, doctor service patients, lecturers are and teacher services students. Okay, so services means here help. Okay, one rich person, example, one rich person service one poor people, poor person. Okay, service type of categories. This service is different. Public administration, government service, peoples. So public means this word peoples. Public means mainly Indian public or American public means it total people's part. People's is different, men's, women's, gender bias. Okay, next transgender, etc. These are different categories are there. So public administration is also one of the part of social sciences. Next to law. Law is this law means justice, rule of law and justice. Now, justice is main important part of the social sciences. Justice, okay, all are equal before the law. And okay, next to all are equality. Not only this law, not only mainly supported, not only support rich people, not only support poor people. Okay, equality, rich and poor not different. All are equal. Rich persons, poor persons. In economically total different, but equal for law system. Okay, this law not only help rich people, not only help political people, political leaders. Okay, this law help of equality. Equality is very important of in this system. Equality, all are equal before the law. So law, justice. Justice means it is the main duties. What is main duty of the court, high court, supreme court, etc. So justice is one of the part of the law. This is also main relation is the very long relations. Okay. So political science and social, it is clear. Social science is totally clear. Political science, but this social science is the very biggest task. Very biggest task. But political science also, it is total depth, very depth of the subject, political science, very depth of the subject, total theory of the subject, political science. People's, here this political science, so many type of scientists clearly explain. With like state, for example, state. This what state means not only one region, state means country level also. Okay, state means one of the region. Okay, here it is clear political science. Okay, political science, social sciences and political science. So relation, what is the relation between the political science and social sciences? This last time conclusion was there. Conclusion, what is the meaning of political science? How do you understood? How do you understand in this subject, social sciences? How do you understand? Okay, next it is clear. Social sciences, how many types of parts? Okay, social sciences means how many type of parts are there? Social sciences. Political science meaning political science, this total theory subject. Okay, here mainly society. Every person depend on society. Every person not only single. Why? Every person directly and indirectly connected with another person. One person not only single. Okay, every person depend on society compulsory. Okay, relation. The relation is mainly is friendship relation or economically. Every person depend on directly or indirectly. So society is the main important of the in this subject. So political theory, state is the main power. The state with every state and every region. History without political science. Here main important word political science, history, relationship. Political science and civics is same words. Political science and geography, relationship. Political science and economics, relationship. These four type categories main relations directly main relations of the political science and history, civics, geography, economics. Economics also main part of the political science. Okay, and also it's clear, and also epic anthropology, public administration, and justice, law, rule of law. Okay, and next service categories also. Okay, service categories also is made total social sciences parts. Okay, next in 4th century, 4th century, first political science first started in this century, 4th century BC. Okay, 4th century BC, before Christ. 4th century, mainly the Greece scientist. This country, Greece. Greece is one of the country. Greece is very small country of South European country. This is the very small country, Greece. The Greece is one of the main greatest philosopher, greatest political leader. Who is the greatest political leader? You know, Socrates, Aristotle. Socrates, main person of the political system. Socrates, main one of the greatest person of the. He belongs to which country? Greece. Greece is the very smallest country of the South European country, Greece. Socrates, main the father of the political science. Who is the father of the political science? Socrates. Okay. Next, who is the father of history? Who is the father of history? Edmund Macon. Okay. Okay, here are different type of categories. Understood? State, region, 4th century, Greece, Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. So political system, what is the main relation between political science and history? History is the main dependent. There is no history, there is no political science. There is no political science, so there is no history. This relationship is the direct relationship, not only indirect, direct relationship. Okay, social sciences is the very biggest task, very biggest subject. Social sciences. Okay, it's total theory part, economical part, and very bad mathematical illustrations also. Example, the mathematical illustrations. Okay, so that is one of the Greek scientists. This total persons is Greek and Greek are next to some countries, Latin countries also there. Okay, so this is the main difference between social sciences and political science. So this is commonly science is the common one. Political science, social sciences. Science means not only chemistry, biological science. Is totally political science. This is political science. Okay, political people's relation, direct relation of the system. For example, one government there. The government meaning it is clear. Government how to manage formation, how to functions, how to divide the groups. It is mainly political systems are there. It is the main difference between political science and social sciences. Relation is the last main conclusion. What is meant by conclusion? The conclusion. The conclusion, political science and social science, about social science and political science. Political science is one of the part of the social sciences, and social sciences also. Social science means history, civics, geography, economics, epic stories, anthropology, public administration, and law, etc. These are total whole part of the sciences. Government sciences are the social sciences. The social science is one of the part. The social science is divided into another part. Divided is another part. This is called the political sciences. The conclusion about this conclusion. This is the very biggest of the relation, directly and indirectly. Epic stories also. Social science is not the history. History is dependent on social sciences. Okay. Next, this relationship is totally very longest relationship. 4th century. Before 4th century, first start of the political science in which country? Greece. Greece is the small country of the South European country. Afterwards, fourth, after fifth, sixth, 20th century also mainly spread to the all over the world, spreading to the all over the world. So government also mainly help of the politically and socially relation of the peoples and relation of the directly and indirectly. So this is the main difference between political science and social sciences. Okay, next class, next the introduction after next another class political science scope, the scope and the administration. What is the main concept of the political science? And next, what is the main political sciences parts? Example, state, nation. What is meaning of state and national relation? Okay, this is the clear explained in the next classes.